Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on this lovely quiet cul-de-sac at the top of Lansdowne Road. So we are on Foundry close here. Just a small row of houses in the heart of Monton Village. We've got a fantastic, beautifully presented 4-bedroom townhouse laid over the 3 fabulous floors. With your lounge as we come in by the front door, which then seamlessly flows into the open plan kitchen dining space. Got a beautiful central island, the guest WC along with the utility just tucked away on my left here. Integrated appliances, lovely quartz worktop and your electric induction hob. So you do have further storage just tucked away beneath the stairs here and out into this lovely open plan kitchen, living and dining space. So you got your double oven, all Neff appliances. Now the property is only 5 years old. A beautiful ceiling lantern just allowing in all of the natural light. Your seating area, which then leads you out onto the low maintenance rear garden. As you can see, you've got gated access, paved patio and the artificial lawn. And straight in there, the summer months, bi-folding doors that open out to give you that seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. It's a fabulous property, as I mentioned, in the heart of Monton Village. So you've got excellent schooling options, you've got fantastic amenities all on your doorstep. And the best coffee served at Playfoot's, which is just down Lansdowne Road. Beautiful scenic walks along the Swinton Greenway, as well as the Worsley Loop line and the Bridgewater Canal. So we now are on the first floor of this lovely home. 2 fantastic sized doubles. In fact, all of your bedrooms are double bedrooms. The guest room, complete with ensuite, positioned to the rear of the house. And your generous sized shower, just tucked away, complemented by the vanity unit there. Family bathroom dividing 2 rooms, along with your shower above your tub. It's beautiful and bright throughout the front of the property here. So again, your second double. There's further storage tucked away behind the door, and this room then overlooks the front of the property. The new build flats, which I think are around 2 years old, and the property here around 5 years old. And then lastly, on your second floor, 2 further double bedrooms along with the shower room, which once again divides the 2. Plenty of space in all of the rooms for a king-size bed, along with further furnishings. Once again, a lovely modern bathroom, your vanity unit, beautifully presented, as is the rest of the property. And lastly, into bedroom 4. Again, on the second floor. It's lovely and quiet. You've got off-road parking for the 2 cars and an electric charging point as standard with these lovely homes. So if you are interested in coming along and taking a viewing, please give the office a call on 0161 707 49 00.